Introducing the Masarflame Electric Fireplace, a versatile and elegant heating solution designed to enhance the ambience of your home or office. In this comprehensive review, we will delve into the features and benefits of this fireplace, from its stylish design and easy installation to its customizable flame effects and heating options. Discover how this fireplace can not only provide warmth, but also elevate the aesthetic appeal of your living space. Join us as we explore the details of this remarkable heating appliance, setting the stage for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and dimensions. This electric fireplace is designed to impress. Its sleek and contemporary appearance makes it a perfect addition to any home or office setting. With compact dimensions, it's designed to perfectly fit into a 2x6-inch wall, giving it a recessed or wall-mounted appearance. The polished black finish, tempered glass front panel, and resin and metal construction combine to create an elegant and timeless aesthetic. Number 2. Installation and ease of use. Installing this electric fireplace is a breeze due to the included easy-to-follow instructions. It operates on a standard 120V outlet, ensuring compatibility with most household setups. Whether you choose to recess it into the wall or mount it on the wall, the installation process is straightforward, making it accessible for both DIY enthusiasts and those seeking professional installation. Number 3. Multi-flame effect. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its multi-flame effect. It offers 3 different flame colors and 3 atmosphere-like colors, allowing you to customize the ambience to your liking. The ultra-high-intensity LED technology emulates realistic dancing flames, creating a visually stunning and cozy atmosphere in your living space. Number 4. Heating options. This electric fireplace provides flexibility in terms of heating. It offers 2 heating modes, 750 watts and 1500 watts, which can be adjusted according to your warmth preferences and energy-saving needs. This supplemental zone heating is suitable for spaces up to 450 square feet, making it an efficient and cost-effective heating solution. Number 5. Control options. Convenient control options are another hallmark of this electric fireplace. You can easily operate all heat settings and flame settings using the included remote control or the intuitive touch control panel. Additionally, a timer control allows you to set the fireplace to turn off automatically after 1 to 9 hours, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency. The temperature can be adjusted within the range of 71 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal comfort. Number 6. Safety and warranty. Safety is a top priority with this electric fireplace. It includes overheating protection, which automatically cuts off power when the unit detects excessive heat. This feature ensures peace of mind, especially during extended use. The product comes with a 6-month warranty and lifetime technical support provided by Masarflame, demonstrating the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction and product quality. Number 7. Customization and accessories. This fireplace offers an additional layer of customization with its 3-color flame options and 3-color top light options. You can mix and match these settings to create the perfect ambience for your space. Moreover, you can enhance the aesthetics by choosing between a drifting wood set or a crystal set, further tailoring the fireplace to your preferences. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 5.85 inches depth by 76.43 inches width by 17.72 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Sleek and contemporary design. Easy installation for both recessed and wall-mounted use. Customizable multi-flame effects and atmosphere-like colors. Energy-efficient heating options. 1 reason, not to buy. Vent-free design may not suit all preferences. Conclusion: the Masarflame Electric Fireplace combines elegant design, versatile features, and safety measures to create an exceptional heating and ambience solution for your home or office. Its ease of installation, customizable flame effects, and multiple heating options make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking both functionality and aesthetics in their living spaces. With a commitment to safety and customer satisfaction, Masarflame offers a product that adds warmth and style to any environment. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.